Hi, I'm Kelly, and today I'm gonna give away a free member Club Penguin account, and I'm not lying. But please don't do anything bad to it because this is like giving away a free member account, and the owner don't want to get banned or something like that, and this is serious. Yeah, this is my first time giving away a free account. This isn't my account. This is my sister account, and yeah, we share it. So, so the um username is Princess Cilia. Princess Silly. That's P R. That's PRINCSS. Princess CYLI. Princess Silly. Let me repeat it again. PRICESSCYLI. And the password is 31456. Or if that one doesn't work, try GG12. But either those two, because I haven't been on a long time. So either those two, let me answer for sure. But I know it's one of those two, so try both. And if one doesn't work, try the other one, and it will probably work because I haven't been on it a long time. So let me repeat everything over again. So the username is Princess Silly, PRINCESSCYLI, and the password is, remember there's two passwords. So the first one you can try that is 31456. That's the first one. And the second one you could try is that's GIGI 12. So GIGI 12. That's GG12. So thank you for watching this show that I made for a free account. And again, please don't do anything bad to it because we really worked hard to earn all the clothes and stuff, and we don't want to get banned. And we paid a lot of money for the membership. It's a 1-year membership, so it's $64. So we don't want anything, and we don't want to get you in trouble. I don't know how to explain that in trouble, but anyways, thank you for watching show, and I hope you like it, and see you next time. Another show, and bye.